Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be looking at something different from programming and Arduino. This is the Easy Robot. The Easy Robot JD Revolution. You can see this from the Easy Robot company. This robot can build, play, learn. And here, Revolutionary JD. We make easy robots. At this robot, you have some specifications, features, software, robot. The robots, wow. Here we see learn, track, sing, talk, move, dance. Wow! So this robot can do all this kind of thing. Can't wait to program this robot. Now I'm going to be unboxing the robot, assembling the robot. I know you guys will be glad to see what's inside the box. And here we comes. Oh my god, this is the charger. This is the charger. Oh, what is this? I think this is the manual. Wow, this is the manual on how to build the robot. You see, you have to visit their website www.easyrobot.com to get started. Wow. Wow, what is it? Oh my god. I think this is the battery. This is the battery. This is the lipo battery, which powers the robot. And here is the microcontroller. This is the microcontroller of the robot. It controls the robot. Oh my, this is the head of the robot. Wow. I think it has a camera up. As you can see it clearly, there's a camera on the forehead. You can see the robot's head rotates on its axis. This is the leg of the robot. Wow. The robot got a big leg, man. Got a big leg. This is the second leg of the robot. These are the servos which make the robot to move at different angles. This is the hand to clip something. I think with this the robot can hold something. This is the second hand of the robot. And this is another servo. Oh my god, this is another servo. This servo, they are too strong to rotate, which made the robot to be rigged. This is another servo. Another servo. I think this is for holding the wire after building, for you to hold the wire together. And now we are going to get started in assembling the robot. I'm going to assemble the robot today. Now I'm gonna put this one aside. Let's get started, man. Okay, this is the head of the robot. So I'm going to put the head to the body of the robot. This is an easy build, not that difficult to build. It's a customized robot, customized from the company, just for you to put it in here. Slide this in this place. You slide it in the body. You can see I put it. And the next step is for us to put the hand, for us to put the left hand to fix it. So we are going to look for a servo that mash. I think this servo can go. So we are going to also slide this servo in here. You can see I put it easily. Second, we put the other servo. Also, we are going to fit the other servo in this place. So This is the third, which is the last part of the hand. We are going to slide it in. You can see we are done with this. We are done with this hand of the robot. So the next step is for us to build the second hand of the robot too. We are going to slide this zero in here as we did in the other hand of the robot. See, make this wire to come to this side. I'm going to put this, slide it in, and the last part of the right hand in this side of the robot. This, you can see we are done with the two arms of the robot. So the next step for us now is to go to the leg. We are going to fix the leg of the robot. So I'm going to slide it under the body, slide it in, and see, this is an easy. This is the left leg of the robot. The left. So we're going to look for the left between the two. This is the left. So we fix it under. Wow, I think this is great, man. Now we look for the other zero to fix the other leg of the robot. We slide it in under. You can see. Just I'll slide it in. So the next step is to put the foot of the robot, push help the robot to balance. You can see how it rotates. It helps you to balance when walking. That's why they carry it a big foot, man. So we're gonna slide in. I think building this robot is almost done. That's why it's called the easy robot, because there's nothing much difficult in building it. So now we need to put in the brain box, which is the microcontroller. This is the brain box which coordinates the robot. I'm going to put it in here. You can see I've fixed the microcontroller at the back of the robot. The microcontroller is placed at the back of the robot, and I think it has a switch. Let's put it on. This is the switch. Let me put it on. Wow.
Welcome to the Easy Robot Revolution, the future of robotics. Visit our website for the Getting Started tutorial, www.easy-robot.com.
So we are done with building the robot, assembling the robot, and the next step is to program the robot. For you to interact with the robot, play with the robot, talk with the robot. This robot can do so many things.